Join us on this wonderful day hiking to Rifugio Antermoia and the lake next to it. Hi, I'm Giovanni, a full-time engineer who wants to share the adventures he has on weekends and on vacation. Good morning! Today is our fourth day in the Dolomites, and the goal would be to go to Rifugio Antermoia, where I've never been so far, even if I've been coming here for many years. And at the moment we are stuck in traffic in Val di Fassa, but hopefully we will reach the starting point soon. We were very lucky and we found a parking spot just in the center of Mazzin, and now we are starting to walk from here. We were a little bit confused on where to go. We couldn't find a way out of the village, but someone pointed us in the right direction, and now we should be on the way. We are a bit confused because there should be a path between us and the river that we should be taking, but we don't see it, so maybe it's not there anymore. We found this unmarked path, which is also on the map, so I hope that with this one we can get back to the main path. I think it is game over. This little track we were following looks like it's disappearing, and we are not sure if we will manage to join the main path now. So I think we will have to go back. With a little bit of creativity we managed to get back to the main path. Hopefully now it's smooth sailing until the top. It's 1.5 hours since we started, and we are about halfway there. I consider this good progress. I consider that we had to go back a little bit at the beginning because of our mistake. It's 2 hours since the start, and we did just over 800 meters of elevation, so I think we are still keeping quite a good pace. We just joined the path we will do on the way down, and it's a nice grassy valley with a quite wide mule track, so I think we will be much faster on the way down. We're starting the last pitch uphill. I think about 300 meters of elevation. That should take us to the hut. we should be quite close. I don't think we have more than 50 meters of elevation gain left. And from now on, we don't have to go up anymore. Like, we just go down to the hut. So we just passed the hut. It took us about 3 hours, and now we are walking a little bit further to the lake to have lunch there. And we finally arrived at the lake. Now we will have lunch. We just had lunch here at the lake, and now we are walking a little bit further to see if there is anything interesting. Over there would be the Antermoia pass, but it's a bit too much for today. We will keep it for some other time. It is already 2 o'clock, maybe even later, and actually 2:05, and we don't want to push it. We are walking back to have cake at the hut now. The hut was quite crowded, but we still managed to have skivasser and strudel, and now we will go back down. We just left the path that everybody takes, because there is a shuttle helping you with part of the elevation, and hopefully it will be much more quiet now. So far we came down the same way we went up, but now we will do a different way, so we will make a little loop. We are now in this grassy valley, and it is so peaceful. There is literally no one here, and it is incredibly relaxing. The valley we were following was quite flat, and we didn't lose much elevation. And now this road is really steep. We are finally seeing Mazzin, where we started down there. 6 hours 45 later, we are back at the car. It was quite a long day, but really enjoyable.